Hey natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited I'm finally getting this video up. I'm following the Chic Naturals method. I'm starting off with 55 ponytails, and child, I almost lost count. Before you get a protective style installed, make sure you apply leave-in conditioner. That is to protect your hair underneath and keep it moisturized. This is the hair that I purchased. Oh, this is actually Passion Twist hair. I'll drop a link down in the description box if you want to try it. This hair is so pretty and soft. So it's best to clean any processed hair first to avoid a lot of itching. But now I'm going to add my hair in here. And you need to make sure it is combined tightly. Make sure that piece is on there. Well, I forgot to tell you earlier that I'm trying the Distressed Butterfly Locks. So I'm going to just submerge the hair in the water, but I'm going to leave this hair in for 2 hours, then rinse it off with clean water, and I'll let it air dry overnight, and then we are going to try all of this tomorrow. Y'all, I am trying something completely out of my comfort zone. I can tell you now, if I haven't told you before, I don't know anything about weave. I don't know nothing about weave. I'm trying to learn it because it's so popular, but it's completely out of my comfort zone. So I'm like, I'm not finna get on here wasting my time looking crazy. So what I did was the back first, and I am proud of myself. I'm impressed. I think I did good for my first time. So this is how it looks so far. What y'all think? Your girl doing it. So we gonna keep it moving. As far as this shining gem, I use this all over my hair. I noticed from previous videos I was studying that they were using the gem only at the rubber band and down about 1 inch. But it's easier for me to manage my hair when I put the gem all the way down the hair strands. I'm outside enjoying this beautiful weather, so if y'all hear some birds chirping or some flies while I'm talking, that's what it is. All right, so I'm starting off with 2 pieces of the Passion Twist hair. And for some reason, after I washed and dried my hair, it became frizzy, as you can see. But you're going to have 2 short sides and 2 long sides, and you'll start braiding your hair. I braided my hair down about 1 inch and then started fluffing out the Passion Twist hair. But I didn't have to do a lot of fluffing because you can already see that my hair was fluffed out already. Next, I am going to take my hair and match it up with the short pieces of the Passion Twist hair and just hold it in my hand. Then I am going to wrap my hair around with the longer pieces of the Passion Twist hair. I'm wrapping my hair upward first, and that's just to cover the rubber band, and then I'll start wrapping it downward. And I noticed the length of your actual hair does not matter. You can stop wherever you want the butterfly locks to be. You can also loop your finger around to get the distressed look. But I'm just going to fluff mine out some as I go. Once I got to my preferred length, I folded the lock and then wrapped my hair going upward one more time, and that allows the lock to stay in place. Now, I've noticed some people will burn the end, or some may use just a regular nail glue. But since my hair is in there, I am going to just cut the jagged edges, and voila, that's it.